So in the past, I did a video on 2 tire rotations whenever you're loading a truck. 2 tire rotations into the pile, 2 tire rotations out, and 2 tire rotations to the truck. A lot of people were confused, going, oh my God, that's so close or that's so far. This is how much 2 tire rotations is. Here's our valve stem. I'm gonna pull it forward. We got there's 1 rotation. There's 2 rotations. I'll mark it off. That's 30 feet. That's with the 950 loader. If you can't load a truck within 30 feet into that tire, into that pile and out, you can't load a freaking truck.